Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is the beginner's tutorial of the iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 series. Alright, today we are going to learn about the avatar animations in iClone 8. Right, now my iClone 8 already open here. And what are we going to do? First, you can choose the avatar from here. Always remember the workplace is at the standards. Sometimes your workplace may be at other panels. For example, the final render, you can't see something. So click the window, go to the workplace and choose the standards. And here, you can choose the actor at here, the character. And here you have the actor core crowded or some of the base avatar at here. For example, the Camilla. Choose it from here. You double click. Once you double click, it will appear at the center here. Right. You just need to wait for a while until it finishes loaded. You can see this avatar already here. Or you can just drag in. For example, the CC4 Kelvin. You can drag to the location that you want. For example, here. Drag and drop. It will automatically load the stream to load the avatar into the iClone 8. This is the iClone 8. This is what we call drag in avatar. Right. Load the avatar into iClone 8. Load avatar into iClone 8. Now you can see this avatar already here. They have the distance. And how are we going to apply the motions? Right, apply motions. You can find the motion from here. Once you point your mouse at here, you can see animation. You click on that. Under the templates, under the animations, you can see it is already here. Click the arrows here. It will expand, and you can see the motion. Drag. Here, you have the human male, human female. You can expand the folder. For example, the either brief. For example, the brief. This is under the human male. You drag. You see, drag and drop into the avatar. Now, in the previous tutorial, you already learned the basic navigations, how to control the preview camera. You can see. Once you play, this is a brief. Play. The avatar is really briefing. Look like briefing, right? Right. Now you can pause, and now this is frame 469. If you drag the timeline, you can always click here to back to the frame 0. Right. Now, if you play, you already apply the animation on the male avatar here. Then how about the female? The female avatar, of course, you can choose from here the human female. For example, move, the catwalk loop, just drag. You can see, once you play, this is just a catwalk move, a catwalk loop. Or you can let her to perform something, for example, the air dance. Drag and drop, play. You can see she performed an air dance. This is the way to create the animations. Alright. Now, then let's look at the next. This is to apply the motions. Of course, you can apply the motion director as well. The motion director allow you to control the avatar by using your keyboard, like playing a game. Now I'm going to drag in another avatar from here. Let's say the actor core crowded. The actor core crowd. I'm going to apply on the party F0001. This is another avatar. I drag and drop it here. Right. This one considered as selected already. You can go to the scene. You can see how many avatar you have. If you click the Camilla, you are selected on that. You click Kelvin, it was selected on that. If you double click, it may make some error. If you double click it, sometimes if you press the Q, you double click it, you are selected at the wrong items. This is the shirts. So you have to make sure that under the scenes, you select the name of the avatar. Let's say if I selected the party then I press F buttons, it will totally view from the front. If I select Kelvin, I press F, then it will view from the front. Right, now I select this. And next we are going to apply the motion director. Right, the motion director will be here. First, you click here to click record selected. You're going to record it. Then you click start motion director. Then she is a female. You click female, click apply. It is initializing, and we are going to wait for a while using the motion director. Right. The motion director data has finished loading. Press OK to start the motion director. To start the motion director, you click OK. And then here you have to click OK. The motion director window layout is recommended while working in motion director. You click OK to activate it. Now you can use the button WSAD to control the avatar to move. Right, now you can see press button 2 is to tidy up. Then now I press button 2. You can see now the avatar is tidying up. If I press 1, she will jump. Right, now I walk. I press D to let her walk, and I press 1 to jump. Jump. Alright, now done. Once done already, click stop. Alright, once stop already, click the macro data. This is the one. You click and then click create clip, and click OK. Next, click the window back to the workplace of the standard. Now you play everything. Now I play. You can see the add-ons already there, and you can see this female, the party fun 0001 already have the motion because of just now I already recorded the motion by using the motion director, just by using the ASWD buttons. This is the way to create the 3D animations among these 3 avatars. Then press F to view the object. Means if you select from the scene, let's say Camila, you press F, it will view immediately from there. You click the party fun, you press F, it will view. Right, how about the next? Drag in the prop. Right, this one we are going to reserve to the next tutorial. We are going to pause here and save the project. Right, this beginner's tutorial is the avatar animation in iClone 8. Right, you always remember you have to save the project. Right, how to save? As demo, I'm going to save it on my desktop. For example, I click File, Save Project As. As demo, I will save it on my desktop, and I will just name this as the avatar animation in iClone 8. I will put it as tutorial avatar animation in iClone 8. This is the iClone project. I save it. Now it is going to save it as iClone project. Right, then I can close my iClone. And that's all for today about the avatar animations of the beginner's tutorial in iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. And always remember the beginner's tutorial of iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. I will make it in series, and I will continue to produce more and more beginner's tutorial from one to another. Alright, I will see you on next video. Enjoy. See you.